Are you tired of dealing with pesky tears or holes in your window screens and screen doors? Well, I'm here to introduce you to the Psychopad Screen Repair Tape. I'll show you how to use it effectively and effortlessly. First, clean the repair part and trim the edges of the hole if necessary. Then grab a roll of this incredible tape and cut a suitable size or shape to cover the tear or hole you want to repair. No need for any fancy tools or complicated instructions. Just apply the tape and within seconds, you're done. What makes this screen repair tape truly exceptional is its ultra-strong adhesive. Made from top-quality fiberglass and specialized glue, this tape is designed to stick to any screen surface with unmatched durability. Before applying the tape, ensure the contact area is clean to maximize its staying power. This means the screen patches will remain securely in place on your window screens and screen doors for a much longer time. This window screen repair kit isn't just limited to indoor use, it's also perfect for outdoor applications. The tape is waterproof and can withstand temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. There are different sizes and colors to choose from. We've got 2 inches by 30 feet and 2 inches by 15 feet tape, both in black and gray. This kind of screen repair tape is not visible and ventilated. You can choose gray or black as you need, and small repairs will not affect indoor ventilation. Prevent unwanted bugs coming into your home and enjoy hassle-free screen repairs like never before.